All right, here's the latest look at the radar. And first thing, the couple little funnel-shaped icons you see there. There was a tornado touchdown report over the Red Lakes area. These storms are all moving off to the east-northeast and at about a clip of 30 to 35 miles per hour. There's also a funnel cloud reported there near Lengby. Those cells are still pushing in toward the Bemidji area now and will be impacting northern parts of Hubbard County, and they trail off all the way down towards Detroit Lakes. The tornado warning has been allowed to expire at 2:15. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning in that area, though, and let's go ahead and take you into that region. First and foremost, the meanest part of the storm right here where you see the deep red colors, that's almost out of the viewing area and out of the county, but there's still some signs of rotation. That warning continues until 10:30. The wording says a tornado is possible with this storm. Let me show you why. First and foremost, we still see the greens next to the reds. That's an area of tight rotation moving over the Highway 72 corridor now in the far northeast quadrant of Beltrami County. A lot of spinny things moving over the Red Lakes area, both upper and lower, and we showed you the video of that very impressive touchdown, what looked to be over the lake itself. Now, as we take you down through the line here as it makes its way through, southern reaches of Beltrami County seeing some strong thunderstorms pushing in. These are not warned, not severe, but will be strong. Not a ton of hail potential with these, but we're starting to see a little curved shape to them, and there could be some very gusty winds, and the potential for winds over 50 miles per hour is there tonight. So in Bemidji, batten down the hatches, and if you are in the camp, the camp up there in northern Hubbard County there for the Boy Scouts, you'll be seeing some showers and thunderstorms in the upcoming 45 minutes. And again, this goes down through southern and eastern ports of Mahnomen County. This whole line has advanced about 40 miles in the last hour or so, so it's accelerating pretty quickly. Some communities in the path of these strong storms: Bemidji, 10:34, and the Moose Park area by 11 o'clock. A lot of lightning with these, as you can tell. Nothing firing down in the Southern Valley. We have what's called a cap on the atmosphere. That's where a warm bubble of air wants to rise, but because the air up above it is warm too, it doesn't feel the need to rise. Wouldn't be bad to get rid of some of this sticky air. Tornado watch does continue for our area until 1 o'clock in the morning as these storms will continue to advance out to the east. Right now, quiet in Fargo-Moorhead, and still extremely sticky, 81 degrees with a 70-degree dew point. It was higher than that earlier. We're starting to dry out because our wind has shifted and has become northwesterly. Here we have the 80s still in Lakes Country. That's where the energy of the atmosphere is. Look at Jamestown, 69 degrees and 73 in Devil's Lake right now. And again, we do have that heat advisory for the Twin Cities area, but it's been allowed to be dropped in parts of South Dakota where it was in effect for the better part of the day today. The drier air pushing in, dew points in the 60s, trying to make their way even 50s in the far west. Northwest winds will usher in this relief from the oppressive humidity over the next 24 hours. Here's that hour-by-hour forecast. First and foremost, as we go through the overnight hours, these storms will continue to drift east, and yes, they could be strong. Notice them kind of meandering and wobbling around here in Lakes Country, so we'll have to watch those, even going into the 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning hour. After that, very quiet. Temperatures in the 65 to 70-degree range to start your day. And then as we go into the afternoon, we expect temperatures to soar once again, but not to the heights that we got to today. We'll be in the low to mid 80s for most locations. Looks dry, but a fair amount of clouds, and that northwest wind will bring lower dew points in, meaning a little relief from some of the humidity of today. 64 to start, 85 in the afternoon, and we spend most of the evening in the 80s as well. It looks dry for a day tomorrow with storms well to the east. Your hometown forecast, a pair of 79s, Valley City and Oaks, 80 in Detroit Lakes, and Roseau at 84 degrees, and again, more clouds than sun for many of us. Union Lake here looking mighty dandy for a swim in this kind of weather. That would feel fantastic. Here's a look at your forecast Friday. The heat returns after just a little bit of a break on Thursday. Saturday, it's hot, but late into Sunday, it looks like we'll have another chance for some strong storms, but look at the temperatures dipping down into those refreshing 70s.
We could use some cool weather.
I agree.
Sure could.